Hi, I'm Lucy, and today we're going to be making a peanut butter sandwich. Here is what we will need to make our beautiful peanut butter sandwich. Bread. This bread smells good. Jelly, that's really cool. Peanut butter, it's really good. And of course, knife. First, you will need 2 pieces of bread. Just lay them on your plate. Next, you grab your peanut butter. You can use whatever peanut butter you like, but I like the crunchy kind. So you just put some on your knife and then spread it on the bread. And now we put on our jelly. You can use whatever jelly you would like. I chose grape jelly. So you're gonna scoop some out, and then I like to put it on the other piece of bread. So just rub it, squish it all over the bread, like that. Now we're going to put the pieces together. And that, my friends, is how you make a peanut butter sandwich. Wasn't that easy? If you liked this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Now, let's call in our official taste tester. Here, try this.
Okay. Very good bread. Some types of bread that I have sandwiches like this on, the jelly and the peanut butter seeps through and it's all like bendy. It's pretty good bread. It's pretty good. The bread's really thick, which is a good thing and a bad thing. Because it's thick enough that, yeah, it doesn't seep through, but it's too thick in the fact that you don't have as much of the jelly and peanut butter flavor. Was this crunchy peanut butter? And I can crunch the nuts. I would say thumbs up, but there's a little bit of thumbs down in there with the thickness of the bread, because it's a good thing and a bad thing.